Hello guys, this is the dust here. Now we are going to take this exercise one here in this book. If you want this book, you may write to me. I will give you all details via LinkedIn, via WhatsApp, via Facebook page, via uh, Twitter or X. Don't forget to share this video here. Now we are going to make this simple sketch in Solidworks here, the size. Now this is day one to be drawn by this sketch here. This is top view of our sketch here, right view or front view here, then light view. This is slot here, straight slot here, and then this is through all of hole here as shown in this picture here. There is here this circle and then extruded to height of 5. Go to the SolidWorks here, select the part, okay, and then make sure that your measurement is in millimeter gram second here, look, and then select here plain white, then top plane sketch, choose the here circle, draw from the origin point here, and then assign dimension. Look for the dimension here. Diameter is 80 millimeter here, 80. Look, and then here I draw this 3 circle here, equidistant circle. You may use circular pattern or you may use this. Make sure that this circle is for construction, and then draw the point here. You may select here as shown here. Let me select circular pattern. Go to here, circular pattern sketch, then select point here, select this point, and then equidistance, and then select entity to pattern, select this circle. Maybe let me decrease the dimension here, and then select number of pattern 3. 90 degree is not comfortable. 80 degree here, look, then give us direction. Look, it is defined well here, then select OK. Look, and then may select assign dimensions here, from here to here, 28 mm, and then make sure that this this thing, and then make sure that this point and this line coincident, okay, and then make sure that all this circle make relation equal. Look, check where there is an error here, coincident. Make sure that this line and this line horizontal relation. Yes, our drawing is fully defined sketch. Go to slot and then select the straight slot here. Draw from the origin here, point, and then draw here. Assign dimension from here to here. There is 14 mm because there is 28 over 2. Look, 28 mm. This is not important. You may trim this surface here, delete this line, okay, delete all the lines here by using trim entity here. Look, and then our drawing is not fully defined. Go to sketch here, go to display, and then select fully defined sketch, calculate. Look, it is fully defined now. And then may assign here extrusion, and then go to feature, extrude the boss and base, extrude up to 10 mm. That's here the as come as default, and then select blind here, and then select OK. Look, is defined well. Look, and then no, it is not a 10, sorry, it is 5. Go to here and then select edit feature, then 5. Look, and then here assign the color. Select this face, go to this appearance and select green. So this green, and then select this whole body here without the cutout. Select this cutout and then select here orange inside here and inside here, and then here select this face, then insert the red one. Look, already our geometry is defined well. Here look, and you may save this part here, save as, and then maybe select the desktop, sorry, desktop, and create new folder, and then exercise Solidworks, and then open it, and then click button, and then insert one, exercise one. Look, it is already saved. Don't forget to share this video to your people who learn SolidWorks well, and then keep subscribing our YouTube channel of thecampus.com, and then make sure that you remember to follow each and every page of SolidWorks. Remember to subscribe. Folks for watching.